What if the moon was made of cheese and we ate it? This question comes from the part of your brain that wakes up at 2 a.m. and goes, wait, what if the moon was cheese? But we're not just talking cheese-shaped. We're talking a literal moon. Made. Office cheese, Gouda, cheddar, brie, whatever you like. Earth's majestic satellite turned into a giant dairy ball, orbiting 384,000 kilometers above your head. And for some reason, we decide to eat it. So let's say one day scientists at NASA look through their telescopes and go, guys, the moon is melting, and it smells like camembert. Naturally, this leads to global panic and cheese enthusiasts launching themselves skyward. Billionaires cancel their Mars plans. New mission, moon cheese. First of all, how much cheese are we talking about? The moon has a volume of about 21.9 billion cubic kilometers. That's roughly a septillion liters of cheese. If it were all cheddar, we'd have enough for every human alive to eat a literal mountain of grilled cheese sandwiches every day, for the rest of time. Lactose intolerance? Doesn't matter. No time for weakness. Humanity's survival now depends on digesting the moon. But wait, let's consider the consequences. For one, we'd be destroying our only natural satellite. Tides, gone. The moon helps control the gravitational tug-of-war that creates ocean tides. Without it, coastal ecosystems go nuts, fish get confused, and surfing becomes a rare, ancient legend. Also, nights get weird. The moon reflects sunlight at night, giving us moonlight. No moon, no light. Suddenly, nighttime becomes actually pitch black. Great for stargazing, horrible for werewolves. Then there's the orbital problem. The moon stabilizes Earth's axial tilt. Without it, our planet could start wobbling like a toddler with a globe. That means extreme climate changes, ice ages, scorching deserts. And that's before you factor in the rising levels of moon dairy clogging Earth's orbit. Because let's be real, eating the moon isn't clean. Giant cheese chunks rain down during the harvest. Some nations build space cranes to carve and ship it back. Others just fire rockets filled with crackers. International space law is rewritten to include words like cheddar sphere and gravitational fondue. And once the cheese gets to Earth, we store it in, like Greenland. Greenland becomes Cheeseland. Cows everywhere rejoice. We are no longer needed, they moo in relief. But the Earth's temperature begins to rise. Why? Because cheese is a great insulator. Millions of tons of it are now stacked in cities, deserts, even Mount Everest is renamed Mount Edom. Eventually, of course, we eat too much. Massive synchronized fondue festivals spread globally. Cheese-fueled economies rise. The first cheese-based cryptocurrency launches, Chedcoin. But then comes the real problem. The moon runs out. The last scoop is removed by a heroic astronaut named Major Melty, who floats over the cratered husk, holding a golden spork. Humanity cheers. The moon is gone. But so is our tide control, our nightlight, and, most importantly, our moon cheese. At first, everything seems okay. Sure, some oceans flood weirdly. Some countries now live in total darkness, but we adapt. Then Earth's tilt starts drifting. Summers last decades. Winters freeze entire continents. Crops die. People fight over packets of shredded mozzarella. All because we ate our sky cheese. Desperate, Earth scientists come together. Plan, build an artificial moon. Not of cheese, we learned our lesson, but of titanium and mirrors. A giant floating disco ball to reflect light and stabilize Earth's wobble. The project is called Luna 2, The Revenge. Construction begins. 1 million satellites form a grid. After 10 years, it's done. Luna 2 rises, tides return, light returns, people cry. And somewhere, a lonely piece of cheddar floats in orbit, a final reminder of humanity's tastiest mistake. So, what would happen if the moon were made of cheese and we ate it? Well, Earth would spiral into climatic chaos, but we'd have a really delicious few decades. Totally worth it, probably.